An impressive selection, state-of-the-art technology, and a sophisticated design. All to enhance your lifestyle. The Panasonic CJ910 series Super Premium Vacuum Cleaners. The shiny, mirror-like finish and attention to detail complement the sophisticated design with quality throughout. Melding advanced Panasonic technology with the spirit of Japan's master craftsmen. The CJ910 series, a fusion of beauty and function. To make life easier, after much trial and error, we developed the unique 3D Easy Nozzle. Easily switch brushes with your foot when cleaning a carpet or floor. Easily vacuum between furniture legs or around a sofa. The big pedals are easy to press. Use your foot to turn the vacuum cleaner on and off, and even to retract the cord. Attachments are conveniently stowed in the handle. Choose the ideal one for the job and easily switch between them. The long cord, wand and hose extend to 11 meters, 3 meters longer than competing models. Vacuum across the entire floor of even large rooms. Adjusting the power level is remarkably simple. The rollers and soft bumper prevent damage to furniture. The blower even blows dust out of crevices. Easily adjust the length of the telescopic wand. Plus, the hose and body are tough and durable. Superior quality throughout. Hidden inside the beautiful body is advanced Japanese technology. At 2,500 watts, the motor is powerful yet surprisingly quiet, thanks to a sound-absorbing motor case and a long exhaust path. The exhaust is also cleaner. A built-in HEPA filter and antibacterial filter cut 99.97% of household dust. There's no compromise when it comes to the air you breathe. The high-quality outer casing hides leading-edge technologies. Outstanding quality in every way. The CJ910 series. The CJ710 series global models offer the same advanced technologies and design aesthetics as the CJ910 series. The new global standard in vacuum cleaners. With a saber handle, big pedals, silent operation, and many other attractive features. An impressively wide selection. Choose the perfect one for your lifestyle.
Panasonic, ideas for life.
An impressive selection, state-of-the-art technology, and a sophisticated design. All to enhance your lifestyle. The Panasonic CJ910 series Super Premium Vacuum Cleaners.